How to fix Instagram login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can fix the login error on Instagram. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, what you want to do is just make sure that you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, let's say you open it up, and then when you try to log into your account, it simply gives you some kind of login error. Now that could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The first is that if Instagram has banned your account, it is blocking your IP address from accessing the access to your account. So what you want to do is, in that case, just try to switch to mobile network. Or if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to other Wi-Fi networks. Or if you're using mobile data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, and vice versa. Because what this does is that it is most likely going to also change the IP address of your network. If this doesn't help, then try to check and see if you can log in from the browser version. So you can head over to your browser and just go to Instagram.com. Once you go to Instagram.com, try to check whether or not you can log in, because if your account is working just fine on the web version, it is most likely that Instagram is blocking from the app, or it is most likely that the application is facing some issues. Now, other thing what you can do is that it could be that you've been entering the wrong credentials. So in that case, you can tap on the get help with logging in, try to reset your password by finding up your account, accessing to that particular verification email address, and so on. If not, then what I'd recommend you do is just long press on the Instagram application and tap on the I button. As you tap on the I button over here, go to the option called storage, and as you go to storage, try to clear the cache, and if possible also clear the data of the application. And what this does is that it's going to reset the Instagram application. If you have any type of temporary cache file stored, it's going to reset the app during the time of the installation. And now you can just go ahead and try to log into your account and see if that fixes the issue. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.